Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal. Are you waking up tired even after what should have been a full night's sleep? Do you notice your erections aren't as strong as they once were? Or maybe your energy feels like it's leaking away little by little, day after day. If any of that sounds familiar, I need you to stay with me because what I'm about to share is just another normal part of aging. It's a red flag your body is waving a warning that something essential is missing. And here's the exciting part. Fixing it doesn't require expensive drugs or risky procedures. Sometimes it comes down to one key nutrient at the right time of day, something simple, safe, and profoundly effective. Before we dive in, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like, drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss my latest men's health updates. Now, let's get real about what's happening inside your body at night. So many men over 60 tell me, "Doctor, I guess this is just what happens when you get older." And I stop them right there because, no, it's not just your age. When you're constantly exhausted, when erections weaken, when desire fades, that's not simply nature running its course. What's really happening is that your nightly recovery system is breaking down. See, nighttime isn't just about closing your eyes and drifting off. It's when your body resets. Testosterone production peaks. Blood vessels in your penis regenerate and expand. Your prostate calms and reduces inflammation. And your mitochondria, your cells' power plants, recharge so you can wake up strong, alert, and ready for the day. If that system fails, the first places to collapse are your virility, energy, and quality of sleep. The good news, this isn't irreversible, and it often comes down to one overlooked vitamin mineral that almost every man over 60 is deficient in. For those of you new here, my name is Dr. Ava. I'm a board-certified urologist and men's health physician with over 12 years of clinical experience. I've sat across from thousands of men, many of them in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, who thought their best days were behind them. And time after time, I've seen how restoring certain fundamentals, especially sleep, and recovery can reignite confidence, intimacy, and energy in ways they thought were gone for good. And today, I'm going to walk you through the one key nutrient that supports erections, testosterone, and sleep all at once. The 3 biggest mistakes men make when trying it, and how to use it correctly so you wake up rested, energized, and more vital. So, let's begin the countdown. Mistake number 1. Ignoring magnesium deficiency. Let's talk straight. The number 1 mineral most men are missing is magnesium. Why does that matter? Biologically, magnesium is the calm-down switch for your nervous system. Without enough, your body stays stuck in alert mode. You may fall asleep, but you never reach deep restorative sleep. Emotionally, that leaves you waking up foggy, irritable, heavy, and discouraged. And let's be honest, when you're exhausted, intimacy feels more like a burden than a joy. Practically, over time, this deficiency shows up as weaker nighttime bathroom trips, restless legs, and waking up feeling like you never slept. So, if you're getting less restful nights and fewer morning erections, don't just blame age. It could be magnesium quietly slipping away. Mistake number 2, choosing the wrong form. Here's where so many men waste their money. They walk into a pharmacy, grab the cheapest bottle labeled magnesium oxide, and think they're set. Big mistake. Magnesium oxide has poor absorption. It mostly causes stomach upset and diarrhea without delivering real benefits. For men over 60, the forms that actually matter are magnesium glycinate. Works directly on your parasympathetic nervous system, helping you relax, loosen tense muscles, and fall into deeper sleep. It also dilates blood vessels, laying the foundation for stronger morning Magnesium 308. This one crosses into the brain. It helps calm racing thoughts, reduce nighttime anxiety, and sharpen memory and focus. When your goal is better, sleep, improved erections, and restored vigor. These are the forms that count. Mistake number 3, taking it at the wrong time. Timing is everything. Magnesium is calming. It tells your body it's safe to rest. If you take it in the morning, you'll feel sluggish and you'll lose the very nighttime recovery benefits you need. The best time, 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Take it with warm water or chamomile tea. Dim the lights, put the phone away, and give your body the signal it's time to rest. Do that consistently, and your body begins to reset itself. Mistake number 4, expecting instant results. This one's critical. Magnesium doesn't work like caffeine or a blue pill. It works cumulatively. night after night, layer after layer. Most men notice in the first few nights falling asleep faster, deeper relaxation. By the end of week 1, more energy in the morning, fewer bathroom trips, stronger morning erections after 2 weeks of consistency, solid 6 to 8 hours of sleep, calmer mood, clearer focus, and a natural lift in libido. The key word here is consistency. Miss nights and you lose momentum. So, how do you put this into action? Choose the right type. Look for magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate. Take the right dose. Start low, 200 milligrams of glycinate or 1 gram of 30, own it and adjust if needed. Set a bedtime routine, lights down. No screens. Magnesium with warm water. Bed within an hour. Stack it smartly. Pair magnesium with zinc and vitamin B6, often called ZMA, for even stronger effects on testosterone, muscle recovery, and libido. And one bonus tip? Pair it with gentle nighttime stretching. When you ease muscle tension before bed, magnesium works even better. Now, let me pause for a moment. If you're sitting there thinking, "Doctor, I feel like I've already lost too much ground. Maybe it's too late for me." I want you to hear me clearly. It's not too late. I've seen men in their late 70s who thought intimacy was gone forever, only to rediscover connection, confidence, and joy once their sleep and recovery returned. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about restoring dignity, freedom, and the ability to wake up each morning ready for life. Gentlemen, fatigue, poor sleep, fading erections, these are not inevitable signs of aging. They are signs of deficiency. And deficiencies can be fixed. Your body still has the ability to be strong, vital, and intimate. But it needs your partnership. It needs you to give it the right tools starting at night. So tonight, take that step. Support your sleep. Support your recovery. Support your masculinity. Because when you do, you don't just change your nights, you change your days, your relationships, and your future. If this video helped you, please like it so more men can find this message. Comment below. Tell me, where are you watching from? I love seeing the community we're building worldwide. And subscribe to Dr. Ava G Men's Health for more guidance tailored to men like you. You deserve confidence. You deserve energy. You deserve restful sleep and intimacy that feels alive again. I'm Dr. Ava, and as always, take care of your health because you are worth